Good morning, everybody. I'm gonna record you something which I don't think you guys have ever seen before. These birds are called common moyna birds. They come from a beautiful country called Bangladesh. They're moyna birds. They can speak if you train them. As you can see, these ones are not obviously trained to speak, but the beautiful thing is they have made babies, and I'm gonna show you their babies. You have not seen stuff like this before, I'm telling you. Look at these babies there. Moyna bird babies, wow, amazing, amazing to see. And you know what, I will be taking them from their mother very soon, and before their eyes open, so when they open their eyes, they will see me as their parents. That'll be their first visual encounter with Mizan, their first father and their last. And I'll show you guys how I'm going to train these birds up, how these birds are going to go everywhere I go. They're going to be on my shoulder, they're going to obey me, they will never disobey me, and these birds, they will be loyal to me for the rest of their lives, inshallah. I had to see them. I knew something was in there. Alhamdulillah. These moyna birds, priceless moyna birds, absolutely priceless.